Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you delete app cache on iPhone or iPad. So guys, let me warn you at first that there is no specific way that you can clear app cache on iPhone or iPad. The only way you can clear app cache on iPhone or iPad that you need to just delete the specific app. By deleting the app you can just clear the app cache of that specific app. So let's just see if I delete this game. Here you can see remove app, just click on remove app and click on delete app, delete, and again you need to just install it from your app store. Just search for that app and you need to just install it from your app store, and by doing this your app cache will be cleared. So guys, hope you find it helpful. If you have find it helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.